Good morning, National Dayers! It's Mrs. Erickson. Today is Tuesday, July 5th. It is the 186th day of the year. There are 179 days left. Happy National Apple Turnover Day.
Enjoy a sweet individual pie on July 5th. It's precisely what National Apple Turnover Day is all about. Also called hand pies because their design makes them portable, apple turnovers have been around since the 17th century. Bakers fill a smaller, flaky pie crust with fruit or meat and fold it in half. Once the edges are sealed, the pie is baked or fried. For added sweetness, adding a dusting of sugar or icing on top. Nearly every culture has a recipe for a turnover in its repertoire. Whether the method is savory or sweet, the ingredients readily available determine how the dough was made. Take some time today to get a turnover in your belly, and who knows, maybe try making one yourself. Today is also Mechanical Pencil Day, National Graham Cracker Day, National Hawaii Day, and National Workaholic Day. It's time for super spectacular shoutouts. Shoutouts today start us off with Jean and everyone in the Strides program at Castro Valley Adult and Career Education Center in Castro Valley, California. Our second shoutout goes out to Ms. Dawn, Ms. Shannon, Ms. Maria, Ms. Brenda, and Ms. Rolla, and everyone in the Life Skills ESY class at Roosevelt High School in Eastvale, California. Thank you everyone for watching. Thank you so much for your support, and I hope you loved your shoutouts. Teachers, if you'd like to get your class a shoutout, just complete the Google form. The link can be found below this video in the description. And here it is, our updated, super spectacular shoutout map. Time to make some apple turnovers. Gather the following ingredients: frozen puff pastry sheets, apple pie filling, powdered sugar, and 1 egg. So following the directions on the package of the puff pastry sheets, you're going to want to defrost them first so they're not frozen. Then you're going to unfold the pastry and cut it into fourths. So cut it in half one way and then cut it in half the other direction. Then in the middle of each piece, you're going to put a scoop of the apple pie filling. Don't put too much or it's going to squish out the sides. Then you're going to fold the dough diagonally, making a triangle. Using a fork, you're going to squish the edges together. It kind of crimps them and seals them. If a little bit of the filling leaks out, don't worry about it. Then you're going to put it on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Crack an egg into a bowl and whisk it with your fork until it's nice and mixed together. And then you're going to paint the top of the turnover with the egg. That will make it nice and brown when it comes out of the oven. And bake it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes at 375 degrees. Using a cup of powdered sugar and 2 tablespoons of water, mix those together to make a glaze that you're going to spread over the top of the turnover. Look at that deliciousness.
Apple turnovers! I just can't tell you guys enough how amazing we are. I am so proud of us. We tried something new. It turned out amazing. It looks so delicious. I can't wait to try it. Okay, we have to go so I can try this. Keep smiling, National Dayers. Have a terrific Tuesday, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Yes, it's time. Ooh, hot. Yummy.